Children's Day is indeed a festival for the kids. It's a great occasion for them to express themselves. They would certainly be pampered by the teachers and parents on this day with gifts and sweets. Most of the countries treat November 20th as Children's Day as per the Declaration of the United Nations. A few other countries have their own reasons for the Children's Day. For example, in South Korea, Children's Day was celebrated on May 5th. This was proposed by a writer called Dr. Bang to install a sense of freedom among children. In Turkey, April 23rd is recognized as Children's Day. It's the date on which their General Assembly was formed. Now, India too has its own day for kids. And that's the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, which falls on November 14th. Jawaharlal is not only the first Prime Minister of India, but a foremost leader in our struggle for independence. He was born in the year 1889 to an advocate named Motilal. His mother was Swarupa Rani. Being a rich family, Nehru was taught at the home by the private tutors. He went to England for further studies that included a degree in law. After returning to India in 1912, he began to practice law. Like his family, Nehru was also interested in fighting against the British who were ruling our country. Though a busy leader, Nehru always loved to spend his time with the children. In fact, he started wearing rose on his chest after a boy pinned it to him. Children called him Chacha Nehru as they treated him as their uncle. So, when India wished to have their own Children's Day, it immediately chose the birthday of Nehru, who loved and led the young generation into the future.
A very good morning to my dear children. First of all, let me wish you a very, very happy Children's Day. 14th November, the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. Every year, we celebrate this day as Children's Day, commemorating the great leader who loved children to any extent possible. In today's scenario, children are becoming victims of many social evils like drugs, child abuse, alcohol, child labor, violence, etc. This leads them to a life of isolation from parents' love, education, knowledge, etc. Children's Day celebration help us to think again and again about the status of children in our country. Children are the valuable asset of the nation as well as the future and hope of tomorrow. So, they should get proper care and love. Thus, we all should collectively take initiative to help unprivileged children, which would give them a life which they deserve. We Christ-Nagarians always uphold the values which lead to the holistic development of the children irrespective of their caste, creed, financial status, etc. The great sayings of our patron, Saint Kyriakos Elias Chavra, signify the importance of children who are the gift of God. Let us all strive together for the well-being of all the children around us. I would like to wish all my dear children a very happy Children's Day and hope that you will all enjoy watching the special performance by your loving teachers and staff members of our school.
മാറനല്ലൂർ ക്രൈസ്റ്റ് നഗർ സ്കൂളിലെ എല്ലാ കൊച്ചു കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും നോബിച്ചേട്ടൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ശിശുദിനാശംസകൾ.
പ്രിയപ്പെട്ടവരെ, ഇന്ന് ഭാരതത്തിലെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം വലിയൊരു ദിനമാണ് ശിശുദിനം. നവംബർ 14. കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ ജീവന തുല്യം സ്നേഹിച്ചിരുന്നു യേശുവിന് ശേഷം ലോകത്തിലെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ ഹൃദയം തുറന്ന് സ്നേഹിച്ചിരുന്ന ചാച്ചാജിയുടെ ജന്മദിനം നാം ഇന്ന് ശിശുദിനമായി കൊണ്ടാടുകയാണ്.
Bhushan S.P. Balasubramanian, famously known as SPB, is one of India's foremost playback singers, holding the Guinness World Record for recording the most number of film scores. 5 decades, he's enthralled listeners with his melodious voice in multiple Indian languages and has garnered 6 national awards in recognition of his talent.
பாட்டு எல்லோருக்கும் பொதுவானதுதான். முதல் முறை பாடின போது தெரியாது இசை என்னை 50 வருடம் பயணிக்க வைக்க போகுதுன்னு. நீங்க இல்லாம இத்தனை வருடம் என்னால பயணிச்சிருக்க முடியுமா? உங்களால் கிடைச்ச நினைவுகளை உங்ககிட்ட தானே பகிர்ந்து கொள்ள முடியும். நான் உங்க எஸ்பி பாலசுப்ரமணியம்.
சங்கரா நாத சரீரா பரா வேத விஹாரா जीवेश्वरा शंकरा नाद शरीरा परा वेद विहारा जीवेश्वरा शंकरा ध्यान विलक्षण रागमे योगवनी प्राणमुनीवनी गानमे नीदनी प्राणमे गानवनी मौन विचक्षण ध्यान विलक्षण रागमे योगवनी नादोपासन చేసిన వాడను నీ వాడను నేనైతే నాదోపాసన చేసిన వాడను నీ వాడను నీలకంధర క్షుద్రులెరుగని రుద్రవీణ నిర్నిద్రగానమిది అవధరించరా విని ధరించరా శంకరా నాద శరీరా పరా వేద విహారా జీవేశ్వర శంకరా మెరిసే మెరుపులు మురిసే పెదవుల చిరు చిరు నవ్వులు కాబోలు ఉరిమే ఉరుములు సరి సరి నటనల సిరి సిరి మూవలు కాబోలు మెరిసే మెరుపులు మురిసే పెదవుల చిరు చిరు నవ్వులు కాబోలు ఉరిమే ఉరుములు సరి సరి నటనల సిరి సిరి మూవలు కాబోలు పరవశాన శిరసు గంగా ధరకు జారిన శివగంగా పరవశాన శిరసు గంగా ధరకు జారిన శివగంగా నాగాల లహరి నువ్వు మునుగంగా ఆనంద వృష్టిని తడవంగా శంకరా నాద శరీరా పరా వేద విహారా జీవేశ్వర శంకరా శంకరా శంకరా
సున్ సుననన సున్ 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 సుననన సున్ 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 సుననన సున్ సుననన సున్ സുൻ സുനനന സുൻ സുനനന സുൻ സുനനന സുൻ സുനനന വൈക്കൊരുമ്പിയെ മേയ്ക്കും മൈക്കരുമ്പിയം പെണ്ണേ കാത്തു നിൽക്കാതെ എവിടെ പോയടി കണ്ണൻ മധുരയ്ക്ക് പോയതല്ലേ വിരിഞ്ഞു നിൽക്കയല്ലേ മൈക്കൊരുമ്പിയെ മേയ്ക്കും മൈക്കരുമ്പിയം പെണ്ണേ കാത്തു നിൽക്കാതെ എവിടെ പോയടി കണ്ണൻ നിലാവിൽ അലിപോലും ഒരീറക്കുഴലിൽ പരിവണ്ടായി മൂളിയതാരാണ് കമ്മലിന്മേൽ ഉമ്മ വെച്ചതും ഇന്നലെ കാന്തമണി കണ്ണിണയിലെ കനക വിളക്ക് കൊളുത്തിയതും മയങ്ങുന്ന നേരത്ത് നിൻ വാതിൽ മെല്ലെ ചാരിയതും മനസ്സിന്റെ മൺമുറിയിലെ മധുര തുവണയൊഴുകിയതും കണ്ടതാണ് പെണ്ണേ കൺകവർന്ന പെണ്ണേ പൂവണിഞ്ഞ രാത്രി മുല്ലേ മൈക്കൊരുമ്പിയെ മേയ്ക്കും മൈക്കരുമ്പിയം പെണ്ണേ കാത്തു നിൽക്കാതെ എവിടെ പോയടി കണ്ണൻ കണ്ണാടി കസവാൽ മൂടും കായാമ്പൂ കവിളിൽ മെല്ലെ കടുകോളം നുള്ളിയതാരാണ് ചുണ്ടിണയിലെ ചന്ദനത്തേൻ ചിന്തിയതും മഞ്ഞണിഞ്ഞ മാറിടത്തിലെ മകരമുന്തിരിയടത്തിയതും
അതും ഇവൻ ഇന്നലെ നീ കാതിലുണ്ടോ ചൊല്ലിയതും പരിഭവം മാറിടില്ലായി മനസ്സിൽ ഇന്നലെയൊരുക്കിയതും
കണ്ടതാണ് പെണ്ണേ കണ്ടവന്ന പെണ്ണേ പുരുഷനിഞ്ഞരാ കുളിരേ മൈക്കുറുമ്പിയെ മേക്കും മൈക്കുറുമ്പിയെ മേക്കും മൈക്കറുമ്പിയം പെണ്ണേ മൈക്കറുമ്പിയം പെണ്ണേ കാത്തു നിൽക്കാതെ എവിടെ പോയടി കണ്ണൻ
മധുരിതു കാലമല്ലേ
മധുരയ്ക്ക് പോയതല്ലേ
മണിമയിൽ തീരിരുത്തും മറന്നിട്ട് പോയതല്ലേ
നറുവെണ്ണിലാവ് പോലെ നീ വിരിഞ്ഞു നിൽക്കയല്ലേ
నిసగ సని సగ సని సగ సని సగ సప సగ మగ సగ మగ సగ మగ సగ మగ సా సని ప ని ప మ సని ప ని ప మ సని గ స మగ ప మ ని ప సని గ సని స పని సని సగ సగ మగ ప మ పని పని సని సగ ശ്യാമമേഘമേനി യദുകുല സ്നേഹദൂതുമായി വാ ഇതുവഴി കാളിന്റെ തടത്തിൽ അരിയൊരു പ്രേമഹർഷമായി കുഴവിളി അലനെയും നദി തന്റെ ഹൃദയം കുളകം ഞൊറിയുകയായി സുരഭിലമാകും സുന്ദര സന്ധ്യ പനിനീർ മഴയിൽ കുളിരുമ്പോൾ അഴകാരിൽ വരുവാ പനി സനി സഗ സഗമ പനി പനി സനി സഗ ശ്യാമമേഘമേനി സഗമപ സ്നേഹദൂതുമായി വാ നിപമപ കാളിന്റെ തടത്തിൽ സുഗമപ പ്രേമഹർഷമായി സല 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 സോലെ കിളിയെ സോണിയെ തേടി സില സില സില